Welcome to this quick CompuByte tutorial on partial dispatching. Sometimes a client wants to buy stuff from your store and he doesn't want to collect all the items, but he's going to be paying for it either on cash or on account. How do you process this transaction? What you do is when you press F4 and you come to this screen, you can either choose cash sales or account sales. Let's assume we're going to choose cash sales and we're going to choose Jack Sam as the customer, and we're going to now sell him river sand as a partial dispatch. So I'm going to type in river and it shows me river sand, and I choose river sand, and I'm going to sell him 100 cubic meters of river sand. Put my access code in there, and now I'm going to sell him plaster sand. So I'm going to put in plaster or sand, and I'm going to choose plaster sand, and I'm going to sell him 300 cubic meters of plaster sand. Now I'm going to end the document, press the amount entered, press enter. Now I'm going to choose partial dispatch because the customer is not going to take the whole order. So we click on partial dispatch, say number of copies, I'm going to say 0. Now I'm going to choose what value I'm going to dispatch to this particular client. So the dispatch value is 100 that he's ordered, but he's only going to be taking 50, and the dispatch value for plaster sand is only going to be taking 150. And now I update that. I've rung up my document and I've printed out my slips, my partial dispatch slip and my cash slip. Now let's say the customer comes back tomorrow and to pick up his sand. So we can go to dispatch, we put in the password, and then we choose partial dispatch, and we choose the document number for the dispatch, which was 206. Put in 206, and it was a cash purchase, cash sales. So you press 1, and this is the amount balance on this partial dispatch. So we're going to update this, and now we have sold him the complete item. So if you want to analyze the stock for this particular items, we can put 1 minus 47, or we can search for sands, and we analyze the stock. We put the access code in for analyzing stock, and we click on OK from which date we want to see, and now we can look at the plaster sand. You can see on cash delivery, partial delivery on cash document number 206, there was plaster sand, which was 300 of them were ordered, but the balance not taken was 150, and then he took the other 150, and your balance of your stock is 4070 cubic meters. That's how you do partial dispatching. Hope you enjoyed this video. Bye for now.